This exercise works with columns, section breaks, continuous breaks, and orientation. So if we were to click View and choose multiple pages, it is currently 2 pages long, and it's just the normal width, 1-inch margins. What it will end up doing is putting sample parking permit on its own page and in landscape rather than orientation. This is currently orientation. So let's go back to 100%, and the first thing we're going to do is change the margins. So click Layout, Margins. Instead of normal, choose narrow, so you have less blank space on the ends, more typing space. It's still 2 pages. So click to the left of sample, and we actually want to move this to its own page. So choose breaks and select under section breaks, next page. So it forces it to a new page. And this is the page that we want to change from orientation portrait to landscape. So choose orientation and select landscape. And it affects just this page and not the previous page because we did the section break. So what we'll also do is go into page setup, and under the tab layout, choose vertical alignment center so that this is centered on the landscape page. And then click anywhere in the table so that you get the table tools tabs, choose design, and then in table styles you can select any style that you'd like for formatting. Then we'll go back to the beginning, Control Home, and what you'll do is you'll select everything that we want to be put into columns. So I don't want the title to be put in columns. I want to start with May, number 1. Now you can't select the numbered paragraphs, so don't worry when you're selecting that the numbers are not selected. So scroll all the way down till you have all of number 11. So you've selected what you want in columns, then you'll choose Layout, Columns, and select 3. So now we're back to 2 pages. If it didn't split them evenly, and it's pretty clear across the page, you could go to breaks and choose continuous, but it already did it nice and even for us by selecting the paragraphs and then choosing 3. So now if we choose multiple pages, you have one that would be printed in portrait, and the second page on the same document will be printed in landscape. Thank you.